Welcome to Photoshop Art. Today we are going to learn how to create a speed effect. If you want to download this document, the link is in the video description. Click on the spaceship layer to enable it. Press Ctrl J on your keyboard to copy the layer. Go to Filter, Blur Gallery, Path Blur. Rotate the path so the arrow is pointing opposite to the direction of motion. Align the path with the spaceship. Click on the first dot to select it. Find the path blur options on the right. Change the end point speed to 0. Uncheck the centered blur. Select the second point. Change the speed to 300. Change the taper to 20. Click OK. Click on the layer mask icon. Press B to select the brush. Make a right-click and select the soft round brush. Use the bracket keys to make the brush this large. Press D to select the black color. Click once on the front of the spaceship to remove the blur effect. This is Photoshop Art. Thanks for watching.